Hi guys, Harry here from the Mace Yacht Department here at Berthon. Yeah, we just returned from Plymouth on the beautiful ARELI. She's 2017 windy Chinook 46. She'll be coming to market very soon. Our videographer and photographer's been busy today prepping and photographing the boat, so you're in for a treat. Catch you soon, cheers! Once again, a personal favourite of mine from the windy range. We have a 46 Chinook based now here at Berthon. We picked this boat up from Plymouth earlier in the week and we had a really good run back. Fantastic seakeeping, handling and performance. Look no further. Sub 50-foot boat, incredible space in the cockpit. Incredible deck space forward and cabin space. So she is a 2017 boat, supplied new. She's currently in her second ownership. She lived part of her life in Mallorca and then came back early last year and has lived in Plymouth ever since. Current owner's just taken delivery of a new boat. He's very sorry to see this boat go, but it has been well loved and cared for. Just looking at the back here, we have 3 rather large storage areas, mostly used for fenders, warps, and there was a life raft in one of them. That is a high-low bathing platform, really large space from a good sized tender. Just having a look on the side decks here, which are laid in teak. Let's just have a quick look in the cockpit in that large sliding roof. We have a Silvertex grey upholstery. As you can see, radar, searchlight and all your horn system up there. Just moving forward, we have a large double sun pad and various grab rails and anchor locker. Lumar windlass and a delta anchor fitted to the bow. Really sleek profile. Real driver's focus boat. And we've got that quadruple helm, which is really great. Twin plotters and a large horseshoe seating area towards the rear. So just making our way back down to the stern. Back down these 3 steps and we'll take a look in the cockpit. Just through the companion gate, just on your left hand side we have a full wet bar with a grill, a fridge and extra storage. Right hand side, starboard 2, we have that high-low table that creates a big sun pad when lounging around at anchor. Really nice solid stainless steel fittings everywhere you look, typical of windy. The large dining table that folds out and, as mentioned, lowers to create a base for the sun pad. Okay, moving forward into where the business happens, we have 3 seats separate to the main helm, sliding roof which will fully enclose this cockpit. Very, very useful to have at hand. The current owner has upgraded the engines and the joystick control to an advanced docking system that Volvo are now offering. He had to change one of the plotters to Garmin, so it's all compatible with the current IPS joystick system, and is an amazing thing to have when manoeuvring in tight spots or have a strong side wind, etc, etc. But just a really, really great tool to have at hand. Having another overview of the full cockpit there, when the roof is fully enclosed. Just these bolster seats here. Okay, as you'll see, there is a large seating area down here with a table. That table is removable and we have an insert that goes there that can create another berth. Looking at the galley, port side 2, we have a 4-burner induction, a separate sink and an oven, and again a fridge, not forgetting the extra fridge space up in the cockpit too. Storage all above and around for various crockery and plates. TV mounted to the wall. And then forward into the master, where we have a central double berth with storage all around and underneath. Again, lots of natural light coming in. We have wardrobe space either side and access into a separate heads. Lots of natural light coming in here, which is just amazing. Considering the profile of the boat, it's actually needed, but as you can see, it's just floods of light coming in, especially from the shark. Again, lots of natural light coming in from the shark windows either side. So here we have another double cabin. Again, used very lightly, still in really great condition. Lots of light coming in and extra storage. And we have a twin cabin in here, which can easily be made into another double. And we have the day heads, which acts as the secondary heads for the extra cabins. Again, very similar size, separate heads, separate basin. a look in the engine room, where we have a pair of Volvo IPS 600s at 435 horsepower apiece. With an Onan 7 kilowatt generator, which is the largest generator you can have on board a Chinook, with an auto extinguisher system and lots of access around these engines for servicing. There we have it, guys. That is the lovely ARELI, available on the brokerage for viewings. Thank you.